Okay, I think we're out of gas for tonight. This is night 2 of the, I don't know what you want to call it, the winder. It's got a lot of torque, even at this slow speed. I need to find a way to make it. I might put a spring on there. I don't know. It's pretty touchy. It's pretty good, but jumps around a little bit. I don't know. I'm sure we'll run into some issues with it winding one more than the other. I think we'll have to have a guide in the front. It's going to be trial from error here. I have decided my fabrication skills resemble Kentucky windage, but we got her together. It's doing what I wanted. I was going to go with the trolling motor because that's variable frequency drive and a constant, but it didn't fire up, so we're going to go with the drills. A lot of torque, should be good. We'll see how it works. Okay, we're about ready for the maiden voyage here. Got at least 20-30 foot of that ready to go, coiled on top. Should go through the ladder. We're going to call that the bouncer. Eventually we'll make a bouncer. Then it's got to go through the stripper and then stripper pole. So it's got to go through this little stripper pole hole. Yeah, so it could work. It could definitely not work. We'll see what happens.